What's up, Axie Infinity? Axie Infinity from last 30 days, my friend, take two very huge jumps now, my brother, and absolutely they will completely, my friend, blooms up, and completely the holder are very happy, my friends, when they will take these two jumps, my brother. The first jump, my friend, when the Axie Infinity take, and my friend, July 22. Definitely, I will invest on those days, my friend. I think 20 days ago to I invest and my friend Axie Infinity, and I starting love, my brother, with Xfinity, my brother. So this time Infinity, my brother. So this time absolutely, my friend, and those days you can see here August 7 to August 11, my friends, they will also take a second jump. So I love, my friend, Axie Infinity, and I am 100% sure, my brothers, to upcoming time this is also possible to they will take a more and more jumps, my brother. Axie Infinity is completely on the trending and crypto market in those days, and a holder are starting investing more and more, and definitely the price will be increasing very fastly. This is possible, my friend. You know what's the reason to they will moving upward and all currencies will fail down? The reason is that, my brothers, especially short term investors, they are starting holding now. Absolutely, when a short term investor starting holding, so every coin, my friend, will moving and completely in the moon now. So therefore, my brother, Axie Infinity is trending because the short term investor is completely investing and the coin will moving upward. And the CEO of Axie Infinity also, my friend, collaborate with a lot of companies. So therefore, the Axie Infinity price will be increasing very fastly moving upward now. So I recommend for all of you, my brothers, to if you have any plan to invest with Axie Infinity, my brother. So I think it is very good time, my brothers, to you will invest now. Please don't miss this time, my brother. Please, this is very good time, my brother, for all of you to you will invest now, and I will give you 100% guarantee, my brothers, to at the end of month. You know, every coin, my brother, at the end of month will moving upward now. So I hope to at the end of month they will give you more and more very good profits, my brother. So kindly, if you want to profit, my brother, in very short time, so I think this is very good time to you will invest and Axie Infinity and take a very good profit. This is possible to in upcoming time they will hit now, my brother, 75 to 80 USD dollar just in all the, and my friend, to the Monday, my friend, this is our target. It's mean to this is this is for upcoming 3 days price prediction, and this is possible, my friends, to in upcoming 10 days they will give you a very huge jump, my brother. So thanks for watching, holder. You need to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for more this type informative and urgent updates videos.